At this point, we have all the assets that we need to create terrain and trees. So we will create a terrain now. Right click on hierarchy panel and select 3D objects and terrain. This will add a huge terrain in your scene. So go to now we want to add few mountains or hills on this terrain to make it uneven. For that, I will go to Terrain Inspector, Property Inspector, and click on Paint Terrain. Right, from the drop down, select Raise or Lower Terrain. You have a lot of brushes that you can choose from. I'm going to just stick to the round brush here. But this brush size is too big, so I'm going to reduce the brush size. It's still big. And okay, and I'm then going to draw some mountains here. If you want to change the brush strength, you can try that. So this will create much higher uh, mountains. All right. So you can go ahead and add more if you want.